Hello, my name is Rayo Daniel, and if you're watching this video, you probably are looking to get some additional information regarding the GoHighLevel platform, or what's often referred to as just high level. Now, this particular platform is truly an all-in-one sales and marketing platform, and it has pretty much more features than most businesses really need. But what I want to do is just take a few minutes and explain some of the features, explain how, depending upon whether you're a business owner or you're a person looking to actually start an agency, you can use this software, either one. It just depends upon the pricing plan that you actually use. Now, Highlevel is a very aggressive marketing plan. I'll talk about that in a few minutes. But right now, just to go over, I am an affiliate for the GoHighLevel platform. So what I want to do is I want to show you my honest opinion. Now, for the most part, as an affiliate, you might think I get credit if you sign up for Highlevel. And that's true. I do. But I'm also a straight shooter. I'm not going to tell you something that's not true just to get you to sign up. Me, in this particular video, I just want to give you the information, let you make the decision. And if you'd like, be able to sit back and actually set up maybe a strategy call where you can sit back with me, ask me whatever questions you want, and I'll be happy to answer them, whether Highlevel would be a good fit for you or not. So right now, what I'd like to do is just introduce you to Highlevel, explain a few things with you. If you are interested, let you know what your next steps would be. Let's hop in and take a quick look. So right now, this is the Highlevel website. If you go to GoHighLevel.com, this is what you're going to be pulling up. Now, here's where the benefit of signing up with an affiliate is better than signing up directly with Highlevel, and that is your trial period. Highlevel does offer a trial period. If you sign up with Highlevel, they give you 14-day trial period. Now, some of the more higher end affiliates that have really signed up a lot of people, they actually give us the benefit of offering you a 30-day trial for signing up. So right now, having an affiliate like myself, or it could even be somebody else, I just hope you would support me, but it would give you 30 days free trial in the software to see if it would work, allow you to play with it, give you an area to find out if this is really something that's going to work for you. And if it is, great, you can get it implemented and actually start using it before your 30-day trial is even up. But right now, one of the things I really want to show you is just some of the features of Highlevel. Now, these are some of the features. I'm just going to scroll down here on this page. Feel free to go here and take a look at all these things. I'm really scrolling down to this nice little chart they have here at the bottom. So if you're a small business owner, okay, let me just break this up into two different categories. If you're a small business owner and you're using a CRM system and you're using a different software to schedule a calendar, and you're using a different software to do all your email marketing or your text marketing, and maybe you're using a different software to have your website or your funnels on to do all this other stuff, this is where Highlevel can be truly beneficial, because you don't need 3, 4, 5 platforms anymore to do this. You just need one. That's GoHighLevel platform. All of the features are built into one system, one login, one tab. It comes with a mobile app that allows you to pretty much do anything. And the mobile app is for free, by the way. And you get all of these features with it. So the CRM system, all of these different tools, if you're an individual business owner, if you're using all of these, or if you would like to use something. For instance, this has a social media planner in it. So if you want to do social media postings and things like that, you can do that in here as well with your business. Now, if you're an agency, this is where Highlevel can really scale and grow your business. And I'm going to talk a little bit more about that when we talk about the pricing plans for it. But for the most part, if you're a single business owner, you can have this entire platform for just $97 a month. Now, that right there is already probably, I know it's going to be cheaper than any of the other pieces of software that you're putting together. And you have all of these features included. Now, this really doesn't even have all of them. This sort of has the major systems. Now, this right here is a particular site that I built that more or less goes over a lot more of the individual features. So if you want workflows, funnels, if you want to store all your media online, if you want email and text marketing, if you want a phone system that has call tracking, if you want to have AI to be able to answer your phone calls and respond to your customer requests on your websites, all of these things are inside of Highlevel. And I don't want to go over all the features. I just want to expand and show you all the things that you get if you're a small business with just $97 a month. Now, speaking of pricing plans, let's hop over here and just take a quick look. These are the 3 pricing plans for you. Now, I'm just going to let you know right off the bat, if you are a small business, stick with the starter plan. You don't need any more than that to sit back and run your business. You get unlimited usage on everything, which, by the way, if you have any Highlevel plan, always features unlimited everything. Now, what do I mean by that? You can have unlimited users. So if you have 100 people on your staff, you can configure 100 people to log in and use the software with no additional charges like most other software systems have. Unlimited contacts, unlimited funnels, unlimited calendars, unlimited everything. That's how Highlevel built the platform, and that's how and why it's so popular right now. So $97 a month is where you want to be if you are an individual business owner. Now, if you are an agency or if you're looking to start a business, this is where it depends upon where you're at. If you're new, if you have never done this before, if you have no clients, I'm still going to recommend that you start out with the $97 starter plan. But before you sign up, please look in the video description. I have a SaaS Jumpstart course that's going to teach you about Highlevel. I recommend going through that training before you actually sit back and join Highlevel to give you a better understanding of what it is Highlevel can do and what services you're looking to sell before you start your trial period. But if you do, start at the $97 plan. It allows you to have your one business and then 2 customer clients in there. Once you get 2 customers paying you some money, then you can upgrade again, to one of the other plans, which is the unlimited plan. The unlimited plan gives you unlimited number of clients that you can have inside of your account. You can charge them anything you want. Highlevel does have a minimum, however. You have to charge at least $97 a month for your plan. This is just so that the software doesn't get devalued with people trying to just lowball and offer the software for very cheap. So $97 a month or higher, but you could charge them $497 a month, $997 a month. It depends upon how much value you can bring to the client that you're bringing on board. But each one of these Highlevel does not limit the amount of clients that you can actually have in the unlimited and the SaaS Pro account. And you can charge them whatever it is that you want. Highlevel is only going to charge you the monthly subscription fee. Again, unlimited is $297. The Agency Pro is $497. I'm going to get to the Agency Pro in just a minute. But for right now, you have unlimited number of clients, charge them whatever you want, and Highlevel is just going to charge you $297 a month. Now, here's where it gets a little bit tricky. Depending upon what you use inside of Highlevel, you do have usage charges. Meaning, if you do email, if you do text, if you have phone calls, if you utilize the AI system, all of these things have other charges that come into it, but that's just with basic usage. If you use the system more, you're going to get charged more. If you use it less, you're going to get charged less. But you always have just the base price of $297 or $497 for these accounts. Now, if you are an agency and you've got clients right now, or you actually know you can get clients pretty quickly, my recommendation is to go directly to the SaaS Pro account. Now, the reason for this is that without getting into details, there's certain levels of automation and what is called rebilling, which allows you to mark up the Highlevel services inside of the SaaS Pro account that could lead to additional thousands of dollars a month extra from all of your clients just in usage charges every month, as well as, again, having that limited, and you get the automation of auto client account creation. So you can have a funnel, people can sign up, their accounts get automatically created, everything flows automatically, and there's no setup process for you whatsoever on the SaaS Pro account. The unlimited account, you do need to manually set up the accounts. That's one of the downsides. So for just $200 a month, which I recommend if you have just a few clients, it's worth it to go to the SaaS Pro account here and start there. Now, that's really all I want to say about the Highlevel. It should be enough to at least get you going, help you understand what the Highlevel software does, the features it has, and the price points that it has. What I want to do is offer you and recommend, there's a link to this strategy call, or discovery call is what I call it, in the link of this video description. I welcome you to sign up. You can have a call with me. It's just 20 minutes. Ask me whatever questions you want, whether your scenario, I have this, will it work for that? How does this work? How does that work? I can get as technical as you want because I am a GoHighLevel expert, and I'd be happy to help you out. No sales process whatsoever. The only thing I just ask is that if we have a phone call and it's a good fit, then just please support me by using my affiliate link, because that is how I get compensated. But again, no selling on this. If this is something you want to move forward with, once you sign up using my link, I do offer additional training, bonuses, and you have access to me moving forward. If you have problems with conversion or how do you do certain things in the future, you are my affiliate. I'm always here to support you. So that's it. Thank you so much. If you liked the video, click on the like button, leave me a comment. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Thanks so much and have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.